Learn English with your Instill.
Hello, dear.
Hi dear, how can I help you? Hi dear, how can I help you?
My name is Lucy. May I have your name, please?
My name is James. My name is James.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure, you can ask. Sure, you can ask.
What's a goal you're currently working on?
I'm trying to learn a new language. I'm trying to learn a new language.
How do you like to stay connected with friends?
I use social media a lot. I use social media a lot.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
I love the people I work with. I love the people I work with.
Do you like to plan trips or be spontaneous?
I like to plan. I like to plan.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy biking. I enjoy biking.
Do you prefer to stay in or go out on weekends?
I prefer to go out and explore. I prefer to go out and explore.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
I love going to the movies. I love going to the movies.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake.
Do you have a favorite podcast?
Yes, I love listening to true crime podcasts. Yes, I love listening to true crime podcasts.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I really like Instagram. I really like Instagram.
Do you enjoy volunteering?
Yes, I think it's important. Yes, I think it's important.
What's a movie you didn't expect to like?
The Notebook. It surprised me. The Notebook. It surprised me.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, be the change you wish to see. Yes, be the change you wish to see.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny days. I love sunny days.
What's the best vacation you've ever taken?
A road trip across the country. A road trip across the country.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing. Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
I loved Friends. I loved Friends.
Do you prefer text messages or phone calls?
I prefer texts for convenience. I prefer texts for convenience.
What's a skill you're proud of?
I'm good at writing. I'm good at writing.
Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines. Yes, I love exploring different cuisines.
What's your favorite way to celebrate a birthday?
I like having a small party with friends. I like having a small party with friends.
Do you enjoy visiting museums?
Yes, I find them fascinating. Yes, I find them fascinating.
What's a language you'd like to learn?
I'd love to learn French. I'd love to learn French.
Do you prefer city life or country life?
I prefer city life for the excitement. I prefer city life for the excitement.
What's a habit you'd like to break?
I want to stop procrastinating. I want to stop procrastinating.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, I find them very informative. Yes, I find them very informative.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn. I love popcorn.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer for the warmth. I prefer summer for the warmth.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I love evenings when I can relax. I love evenings when I can relax.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're so much fun. Yes, they're so much fun.
What's something you're grateful for?
I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my family.
Do you enjoy making plans or being spontaneous?
I like to make plans. I like to make plans.
What's your favorite thing about nature?
I love the beauty of the mountains. I love the beauty of the mountains.
Do you like to read poetry?
Yes, I find it very expressive. Yes, I find it very expressive.
What's a fun activity you'd like to try?
I want to try skydiving. I want to try skydiving.
What's your favorite place to relax?
I love my backyard. I love my backyard.
Do you enjoy fashion?
Yes, I like to keep up with trends. Yes, I like to keep up with trends.
What's your favorite way to stay healthy?
I try to eat balanced meals. I try to eat balanced meals.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I enjoy them. Yes, I enjoy them.
What's your favorite way to stay productive?
I make to-do lists. I make to-do lists.
What's a memorable concert you've attended?
I saw Taylor Swift live, and it was amazing. I saw Taylor Swift live, and it was amazing.
Do you enjoy winter sports?
Yes, I love skiing. Yes, I love skiing.
What's your favorite thing to do during the holidays?
I love decorating the tree. I love decorating the tree.
Do you have a favorite board game?
I love Monopoly. I love Monopoly.
What's something you've always wanted to try?
I want to learn how to play the piano. I want to learn how to play the piano.
Do you enjoy spending time alone?
Yes, I find it refreshing. Yes, I find it refreshing.
What's your favorite thing to do in the evenings?
I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy watching movies.
What's a tradition you cherish?
I love our family game night. I love our family game night.
Do you prefer reading ebooks or physical books?
I prefer physical books for the feel. I prefer physical books for the feel.
What's something that makes you happy?
Spending time with friends. Spending time with friends.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.